to Bubba J. Bubba J, what is your favorite beer? Bubba J's response. An open one. I have decided today, in my informative speech, to discuss two types of alcohol and some statistics. The point of this speech is to give you an insight into a little bit of the alcohol. The first alcohol I decided to discuss is whiskey. Most of the uses are pretty common sense. They are used mostly for beverages, such as Jack and Coke and mint julep. The ingredients, as I found on Scotland Whiskey and Distilleries, are barley, water, and yeast. The processes are malting, which is the sprouted grain, then grinding, brewing, fermentation, which converts sugars to acids, distillation, which separates the mixtures in your fermented alcohol, then aging, which adds definition to the alcohol, and bottling. Now you have learned the uses, the ingredients, and the processes that are important to whiskey. Now on to my second alcohol. My second alcoholic beverage is sake. As I found on DIY Spring Pad, sake is used for cooking. It's a spot lightener, a moisturizer, an acne treatment, a skin whitener, and a facial mask. It is also obviously used for drinking. It is made of rice and koji. Koji is a special mold that is used to convert the starches to sugars. The rice that is used to make sake is used because it is unpalatable other than for use in sake. I have now discussed the two types of alcohol that I decided to discuss. My third point are some statistics dealing with alcohol in general. My first statistic I found on CDC. There were 25,961 deaths relating to alcohol last year. On Karen.org, I found out that while alcohol does slow thinking, it also slows the activity to the brain and the spinal cord. Most people don't realize that 51.9% of people in the United States and around the world drink alcohol. Most people don't realize how popular that is. That turns up to 130.6 million people in the United States alone. Did you realize that? Did you know that many people around you drink? That's over half the population. I found this out on about.com. In conclusion, I have discussed two types of alcohol as well as some statistics. I hope you've learned just as much as I have from this presentation. From the great words of a great doctor from MASH 4077, I'll stick with gin. Champagne is just ginger ale that knows somebody. Thank you for listening to my speech, and I hope and pray that you have learned almost as much as I have from this informative speech.